In the wild, the male budgies will find a female budgie and they will start a family in the wilds. But this is in captivity. You can hear that car in the background with its music bumping. Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? This is in captivity. So we're going to do the captivity version. And I got to take my birds inside because I don't have time for their wings to dry and them fly away. So we're going to get this party started. So this is the life cycle of a budgie, starring Budgie Breeder 1. I'm not saying my name yet. So let's get into the video. After the budgies have paired off, the male will do everything in his ability to woo her. Ooh, how does that feel? She said it feels good. I hope I sound like a documentary person to you guys. If not, I can bring my voice back up to this level, but I'm gonna stay down low like a documentary person. Ha ha ha. Now let me stop, I'm scared. At first, the courting will start off very soft and cute. But once the male knows that the female is ready to start mating, the courting will start getting more intense. In the wild, it will be a hole in a tree. But in captivity, it will be a nest box off of eBay. And if she does not have a nest box, she will not mate until she have one. She will spend most of her time cleaning it out and chewing it up, making it to her liking. Once she does so, then that's when the mating happens.
Hey Brian, he's knocking on the back door. What should I do?
What?
He's knocking on the back door. Should I let him in? I'm scared.
Once the female budgie has mated, she will now spend most of her time in the nest box. To make the female feel comfortable, when the male is not looking for food, he would simply just sit there and guard the nest box. This is a behavior all males do. She will also come out when she needs calcium, so she chews on the cuddle bone to do so. Once she starts laying eggs, she will lay them every other day until her clutch is finished. She will spend most of her days inside her nest box, sitting on her eggs. After that, the first chick starts to hatch. Sometimes the dad comes in and helps if the female allows him to come inside. If not, he'll stand outside and feed her from outside the nest box. Over the next month or so, the chicks will get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until they're too big to grow anymore. And yeah, that's basically the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe.